Always keep in mind that what you post on a social network or community can always be susceptible to end up on Google or be found online by anyone. Therefore, it is advisable not to provide personal data that may jeopardize your privacy and well-being. You can start by deleting your information on social networks. For example, on Instagram. In the option Edit Profile, you can delete what you don't want to appear, whether it is related to information or publications, eliminating the location or other data you have in the description. On the copyright report form, you can report if they are using your name, if they are harassing you, or if someone is posting personal information about you. On Facebook, you can edit your profile by deleting personal data or by slightly changing your name. You can delete tags from the photos in which it appears, even change data such as the date and location of the photo. Delete the accounts of the services that you will not use. Delete your account of forums, blogs, and services that you do not use. Do not forget the great Microsoft, Google, Apple, or Amazon web services that also allow you to create personal profiles. This is applicable to other large online stores and digital services. Any website where you create a user account will obtain data that could appear on the internet. That is, it is advisable to always delete the accounts that you no longer use, or at least edit your data to eliminate everything you do not want to appear on the internet. You can also contact the website administrator and request that they delete your data. If your request is denied, you can try to take legal action against these administrators.